Okay, final of the draft here. Is it Eve draft? I guess we'll do our Rotted Remains Zombie Priestess combo. And he opens with a Rock Elemental, which is unfortunate. Actually, I can kill it. So that was 5 mana and 2 cards for 5 mana and 1 card. So he gained about a mana out of that. Yep, I'm good with that. Now he's got one of those things too. Oh. Top deck my tribute, so make my guy a 2/3. Rock Elemental, huh? Well, let's throw a Whelp Egg in front of it. Yeah, that's fine. I don't understand why people do that. Do they think I'm just not gonna move the egg? Just crack it. Get it over with. Unless you have 2 removal spells to remove the egg and the whelp. So my 2 casting cost, 0/2 is holding back his 4/4. Right. Surprise! I have a skeleton. Kill that. Put a Worshipper down. Yes, because I forgot about moving the egg. Oh my god, how did he do that? He moved his egg. Here, take 3. See, had he cracked the egg and just attacked into it, he would have been way better off. Now he's figured it out. But unfortunately, now it's too late. Let's see here. Let's do that, and jump a Rotted Remains. As well, the Rock Elemental and the Elp were dancing around. I was doing damage to him. Okay, these 2 will trade. Put him on defend. These 2 will trade. He's not going to be able to ping it next turn. Might have a removal spell, that's fine. I've got health to work with, and I can just drop another Whelp Egg in front of it. I can play Rotted Remains. I have a lot of mana. Play a Worshipper too. Yep, that's fine. Now my 2 casting cost, 1/2 is holding back his 5/3. Let's get rid of that to start. 2/3, so give that guy both bonuses. Play that. Don't kill that. That's fine. Also fine. Alright, now we're gonna pacify that. Throw a wild pig in front of that guy. And we wait. Uh-oh. You gonna kill me? That was close. Should have played the other wild pig. That game took a while. Well, again, he's got the big stompy creatures, so let's bring in those two. Maybe the Berserk Potion. Yeah, so we can Mud Golem his Rock Elemental so he can't move it around. I have another Rock Elemental to match his, and I have a Berserk Potion for punishing him if he buffs it up too big. Well, that's an awkward hand. Uh-oh. Put a War Mag in front of it. Worked last time. Hopefully he learned from his mistakes. He did. Let's see, I'll put that there instead. We'll buff that up. That's fine. That sucks. Well, let's go ahead and do that. Now he's just gonna ping it. Take 3, 4, go down to 10. Block the Bountiful, and then next turn pacify. Go down to 6. Hopefully he doesn't have removal for that. If he does, I'm in bad shape. Yuck. Well, this is just crap yellow road. Pacify that guy. Oh, I got the mobile, not the pacify. Who knew? Well, that was a nice top deck. Yeah, I got crushed. A whole lot. Alright, these small worm eggs aren't doing anything for me. Yeah, he's really hurting me with those big guys. with him. Alright, I'm gonna play the Rotted Remains. That's fine. He's just playing bomb after bomb after bomb. These battle clerics and the other guys are really rough. 2, 3. Let's do that. Hopefully he doesn't have removal for the skeleton. If he does, I'm in trouble. I can cope with that. Kill that. Next turn, bump it down. Nah, he's gonna ping it. We have an abundance at least. Or a rock elemental at least. See, now it makes sense to move it, because then he can buff it and they'll kill each other. Yeah. Abundance is burning me. Well, maybe not. Lock that guy into where he is. We'll gain a couple mana. Play out my hand. Alright, I think we're okay. He has 6 mana and 4 cards though, so who knows what he's gonna do. Gonna bump that up there to block him. I contribute. Hit him for 9, 10 possibly. Well, hopefully he doesn't have any. Okay. Let's do that. Alright. He's got 8 mana and 5 cards, so it's highly likely he's going to have something for me. He doesn't have any removal. Disarm doesn't cut it. Bring our guy down to a 1. See if he has a 1 damage spell. No, still doesn't have a 1 damage spell. He has a rock elemental though. life. What do you have? Nothing. Yay. Good games. That was close. Oh, get the rice packs right away. I guess I'll open them, and you guys can watch if you want. Charge leaf, ain't bad. Dirty fuel's good. Sandy Tapper, eh. Nope, nothing I really want. I've got a bunch of mill cards, basically a Sandy Tapper and a Sylph Mine Sapper. Alright, thanks for watching, guys.